Imagine spending $300,000 on a house. You'd think that's the total cost, right? But what if I told you there are hidden fees that can add up to $15,000? People often believe their home will be a surefire investment. But homes can actually depreciate by 3.5% annually, meaning you're losing $10,000 on a $300,000 home each year. When you're buying a house, closing costs can be like a hidden tax. For a $1,200,000 home, those costs can amount to over $40,500. Homeowners often think their insurance is just for safety. In reality, 35% of that $2,857 annual premium goes to liability coverage, protecting you from accidents on your property. Many people don't realize that property taxes can be a significant hidden cost. In California, the average annual tax on a $480,000 home is $7,200. Buying a house is often compared to renting an apartment. But just like paying rent, you'll need to spend $2,000 annually on home maintenance. Home maintenance is crucial for keeping your home in great condition. On a $285,714 home, you can expect to spend about $10,000 annually on maintenance. Over 10 years, the hidden costs of home ownership can add up. Starting with $15,000 in unexpected fees and adding annual costs like property taxes and home maintenance, you could be looking at $32,200 in hidden costs. So what are some common hidden costs? Closing costs, property taxes, home maintenance, and insurance premiums. For a $428,571 home, unexpected fees can add up to $15,000. Buying a house is like a long-haul flight. Fun fact: the cost of water in the U.S. Compare home insurance versus renter's insurance. Breakdown of utility costs, a year in numbers. Imagine running a small business. You've to manage finances, meet deadlines, and handle unexpected expenses. Homeownership is no different. Every day brings new challenges like maintenance, repairs, and upgrades. Are you ready to be the CEO of your home? Let's organize these costs. Closing costs are $15,000, property taxes are $7,200, and home maintenance is $10,000. Over 10 years, these hidden costs can total $32,200 on a $2,142,857 home. Which part surprised you most? Tell me in the comments.